Hello everyone. In this video, I will share all the details about what the playlist method is and how you can make money with it. I understand many of you might be skeptical of this video since I'm selling a playlist bot. You might think that in this video, I will show you how I use my bot, but I am not going to show any automation tools in this video. I will share the playlist method, how you can use it to promote your own YouTube videos, CPA offers, or make money with AI music. This is going to be a very detailed guide for the playlist method, but if you still have any questions, please feel free to ask them. First, how do you make money on YouTube? Well, you can create videos and upload them to YouTube. You can monetize them with AdSense. You can also incorporate sponsor ads. But if you are new, you will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to run ads on your videos. You won't get any sponsors for your videos either. Second, you will need to upload a lot of videos before you can reach the numbers you need to monetize your account. You will have to create videos yourself or hire someone. Each video can cost from $50 to $200 depending on your niche. Even with just 10 videos at $50 each, it will cost you $500 without any guarantee that you will get monetized or not. The second thing you can do to make money is the YouTube comments method. This requires very low capital to start. Let's see this method. Visit the last video of SS Sniper Wolf. If you look at the top comments, you will most likely find comments from accounts that are promoting dating offers or Roblox CPA offers. For this method, you just need a few aged YouTube accounts and an SMM panel that can deliver comment likes at a reasonable price. I have made quite good money with this method myself, promoting different offers. Unfortunately, nowadays it is hard to get comment likes working due to many YouTube updates. Many domain providers also block your domain very fast. Of course, you can find workarounds by just copying your competitors. If you have, let's say, a $50 budget, you can try this method. Keep in mind, you may have to test multiple SMM panels before you find one that is consistently working. Now for the third method, which is the YouTube playlist method. What is a playlist for the average YouTube user? If you search for best chest workout, you will see a list of results. You can select videos that you want to watch and add them to your watch later playlist. But what if you have multiple types of videos? For example, best diet, best leg workout, best places to visit in Bali. You do not want to mix them all in watch later. You can create a playlist for each of these subjects. Now, let's say you are a YouTuber who makes videos about gameplays. For example, Resident Evil Village. You can create a playlist for all the parts so the users can watch all the videos in order without trying to find them. I'm sure you have already seen this. YouTubers have different playlists for each game. Travel vloggers would have different country playlists, so playlists are useful for the average YouTube user and the YouTubers who upload videos. But what about us? How can we make money out of this? Let's search a few keywords on YouTube. For this example, let's search for Resident Evil Village gameplay. Now, the results may be different for everyone, but you should see a few playlists. You may say, okay, we got the playlist, but all the videos are from the original uploader. Search for the keyword Finding Nemo full movie. You will see multiple playlists and you can also see the views. You do not have to create videos or hire someone to create videos for yourself. You do not have to worry about SMM panels not working for comment likes. You can just create playlists and add your own videos in them to get views. Let me show you how to create a playlist and add videos in them to get views. We will do this with the same Finding Nemo example. As you can see, it is very easy to create a playlist. You can add your own videos in this playlist. Well, what if your niche is gift cards or dropshipping products? It won't work with the movie niche. Well, you can create playlists targeted for your niche and add your videos accordingly. If you have a sports commentary channel, you can create playlists for those sports events and add your own videos in them. You have to search what is trending in your niche and create playlists accordingly. Focus on long tail keywords. They are very easy to rank. I would recommend that you do not use your personal Gmail account for this. You can buy aged YouTube accounts and create playlists in them. I promote CPA, offers, and music mainly. For those who do not know what the music method is, let me show you. First, you can use AI music, but you have to choose the music distributor carefully. Not all music distributors allow AI music. You can use DistroKid and Lander, but there are others which allow AI music as well. Just search which ones are good. Do not use Content ID. Many people make this mistake. They think in order to make money with music, they have to use Content ID, but using Content ID is actually risky for new users. I will show you my process. Let's say I created 5 tracks using AI tools like Suno. I will create AI generated art and upload to Landiar. Make sure you tick the option that the music is AI. You will not get Content ID for YouTube, but we do not need it. Once all the music is uploaded, you will get a YouTube URL for your music. Now, I am not saying that this is AI generated music or art, but it just looks like AI generated to me. This music was uploaded to DistroKid, as you can see in the video description. Many people believe that they have to download this as MP3 and add this to other videos and upload to YouTube and do copyright claims in order to make money. But you can just simply add this video to your playlist. That's it. It is that simple. You just create playlists and add your own music videos in them. Nothing else. You are getting real views from real people without any copyright risk. You do not have to create shorts and add your music in them and hope to get it viral. The shorts method, the RPM, is like 4 to 5 cents. For this playlist method with music, the RPM is $1. I understand many users are rolling their eyes listening to only $1 for 1,000 views. But look at the playlist. If you get 1,000,000 views, that is $1,000 with very, very low investment. The AI music creator tool like Suno costs $10 a month. You can create as many tracks as you want and cancel the account. For music distributor costs, it can be $30 to $50 a year. You can buy a few aged YouTube accounts and create playlists, add your music, that's it. To be honest, I have provided all the information I can, but it is up to you to test the method yourself. If you create 5 playlists, did not get traffic, and left the method, well, that is on you. I am using this method for over 7 years with different niches. You have to change niches with time. I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. You can also join my Discord if you want. Have a good day. See you soon.